this,
All the warm energy.
you go like that.
Why?
Because you take the cold energy
Yeah?
and you fuck it off,
Yeah, and what happens then?
and then you get the hot energy.
Which was where the cold was.
No,
Exactly, the hot energy is like over there and you're
That's why you
swapping.
really need to put.
This is like my little storage area. This is
Like
my
a
little
white people's
storage bag, and this is the everything else.
Right. Hey. Okay. It's this way, guys.
I love my kayak, I hug it so tight. I keep it beside me all through the night. I blow up its airbags, I smooth its spray skirt. I watch out for rocks just so it won't get hurt. When I'm in my kayak, I'm in great company. I take care of it, it takes care of me. I take care of it, it takes care of me. My helmet is cracked, my life jacket shot, my paddle's in bad shape, I think it's dry rot. But my roof racks are padded, my tie downs are strong. Wherever I go, my kayak goes along. It's me and my kayak, inseparably. I take care of it, it takes care of me. I take care of it, it takes care of me. When I'm in my kayak and drifting downstream, all of my troubles, they're only a dream. Got no bills to pay, got peace in my soul. When I'm on the river, then I'm on a roll. Roll on in my kayak, so wild and so free. I take care of it, it takes care of me. I take care of it, it takes care of me. Yes, I'm a kayaker, and I know when I die, I'll find that big river up in the sky, where you run every rapid with just a boat scout. And once you put in, you don't have to take out. And my kayak will be there, I'll take it, you see. I take care of it, it takes care of me. I'll take care of it, it'll take care of me. I was looking for something fun to do, so I thought I'd buy me a canoe. The store had one second hand, not too beat up, for $50,000. I said, I'll take it. Started writing a check. The man said, hold on, son, you still need accessories. So he sold me airbags, dry bags too, a PFD and a paddle or two, a throw rope helmet and rescue knife, some river maps. I was set for life, I was ready for wide water, with no money left to get there. So I joined a canoe club and went to their school. All decked out, was I ever cool. We spent the first day on a lake. I thought this canoeing's a piece of cake. I knew a J-stroke, I knew a low brace. I wish I'd have known what was a-comin'. Down at the put-in, the other folks were practicing their paddling strokes. They ferried river left and right while I just drifted out of sight. Down the river, going backwards, heard the roar, my first rapids. When I finally got turned around, I wasn't thrilled with what I found. Was headed for a rockodern when someone shouted, "Eddie, turn!" My name wasn't Eddie, so I didn't turn. I just got pinned up against that rock. Well, they rescued this poor paddling wiener with rescue ropes and carabiners. That old canoe took quite a blow, but not half as bad as my ego. I was choking, my paddle was broken, and I thought things couldn't get any worse. We got to our first class 3 drop, scouted it, watched others flop. My heart was beating like a drum. Niagara Falls, here I come. I found the chute, perfect entry. Forgot how to brace, but not how to swim. I was about half-starved when we stopped for lunch, right beside a scraggly bunch of local folks who were camped out near. Their necks were red and they sure liked beer. They looked at us funny, and they looked real mean. I wish I'd never seen Deliverance. We finally reached the takeout place. My knees were sore and my head sure ached. My clothes were soaked and my lips were blue. Had new dance in my old canoe. I crawled out of my boat. Someone said, "How about next week?" I just grinned and said, "Why not?" I was looking for something fun to do, so I thought I'd buy me a canoe. If you paddle a kayak or canoe, friend, I'm talking just to you. Let's get together by the river at the old put-in. And by the time we're taken out, you'll know just what I'm talking about. That old class 5 whitewater adrenaline. Adrenaline, it's what I crave. Adrenaline, I feel so brave. Adrenaline, I keep coming back for more. You know it makes my liver quiver. The place to find it's on the river. Adrenaline's gonna keep me there for sure. When I punch a hole or I get flush, down through a drop I get a rush. Oh Lord, it feels so good that it's a sin. When I hit an ender with a pirouette or a mystery move, buddy, you can bet for sure I'm running on pure adrenaline. Adrenaline, it's what I crave. Adrenaline, I feel so brave. Adrenaline, I keep coming back for more. You know it makes my liver quiver. The place to find it's on the river. Adrenaline's gonna keep me there for sure. Maybe this next whitewater run will make you want to drop your paddle and grab the gunnel. But don't you do it, cause now the fun will begin. No shuttle bunny, no shuttle rabbit's gonna keep on driving once I got the habit, cause they'll be looking for more adrenaline. Adrenaline, it's what I crave. Adrenaline, I feel so brave. Adrenaline, I keep coming back for more. You know it makes my liver quiver. The place to find it's on the river. Adrenaline's gonna keep me there for sure. Adrenaline, it's what I crave. Adrenaline, I feel so brave. Adrenaline, I keep coming back for more. You know it makes my liver quiver. The place to find it's on the river. Adrenaline's gonna keep me there. Adrenaline's gonna keep me there. Adrenaline's gonna keep me there for sure.